everyone and welcome to Learn with Anand YouTube channel. In this video I am going to implement a project named as Train Ticket Booking System. This project is developed in IntelliJIDEA utilizing JavaJDK for its core logic and interacting with the MySQL database for data storage. So let's get started. This is the IntelliJIDEA interface and these are the modules. Our starting point is the home module, so let's execute that. So here, as you can see, there are several menus and buttons. First, let's explore this network map. Here Mumbai Suburban Railway network is visible and we can zoom in and zoom out to view the map. This is the about section. Here we can see the description regarding the application. This is the contact section. Obviously those numbers are demo. This is a social media demo accounts. From here we can search various trains with respect to various lines. This is of Central Line. As we can see, Central Line stations are visible. Same goes with Western and other lines. Let's click on register. Here we can name anything, but let's take TrainEase only. So we are naming it as TrainEase and last name as suppose application. As you can see, the first name and last name, it will always accept the first character as an uppercase and the rest character will remain as lowercase, because it's easy to read and the presentation of data will also look good with this format. And in mobile number as well, as you know, in India we used to have mobile numbers starting with 6, 7, 8 or 9. So in this case I have also done this. So you can see if I and also you can't exceed more than 10 digits. As you can see, 9 is acceptable, 8, 7, 6. If I enter 5, it's showing me invalid. 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, so let me just add any random value. So this is a random value. So here what will happen, when I click on this send OTP, it will insert a value in a table called as OTP, and after inserting the OTP on the text box, upcoming text box, then the value which was written on that table, it will get disappeared. That means it should look like that the OTP is expiring, that it can't be reusable. So let's test. As you can see, OTP sent, and if we check here, select star from OTP. So as you can see, we got an OTP on this number 9818 is the OTP, 9818. So mobile number has been verified. In username case, as we know, usernames are always of lowercase. So here as well, even though you try to write it in uppercase, it will automatically convert it into lowercase. So let's take here username as TrainEase. Yes, and it should be unique as well. If the system found the same username in someone else's account, then it will show a pop-up that you can't proceed. So let's see if this username is available, and if it is, then it will proceed. Let me just enter a password. So it's TrainEase, suppose TrainEase 123, TrainEase 123. As we can see, we are all done. Let's proceed. So yeah, no issues arise. Now let's confirm whether we got data in the database. Registration. As you can see here, our profile has been created and it got inserted in the database. We can also check on the account table, which basically includes the credentials regarding your payment. So as you can see, UPI number is same as the mobile number. UPI pin is a randomly generated number, so it can be anything. An account number as well, and even account balance, it's randomly generated. And one more thing, there is a table known as notification, where you can see, let me just minimize this. Yeah, as you can see in the notification table, it will show that the following mobile number has got a notification. As you can see here, this number got a notification like, welcome to TrainEase, your account has been successfully created, start exploring and plan your journeys today, regards team TrainEase. So it's all good now. Let's proceed. So our username was TrainEase and the password was TrainEase at that 123. Yeah, so we are logged in. Now we can check our profile as well. So yeah, it's fetching the correct details. As you can see, it's fetching the right details. Yeah, we can even update details from here. Suppose I want to have a username with this 29, suppose I want, then it will update, and we can even check here. As you can see here, it got updated, and nowhere else the username is present, I guess. In account, yeah, only here, because we haven't done any bookings or we haven't given any feedbacks, so it's not reflecting on that. But let's move ahead. Here there is a section called as my bookings. So we haven't booked any tickets, so we can't find anything. Support section is also there, where we will find some FAQs. Even feedback section is also there. So let's proceed with booking a ticket. Let's choose central line. So consider that we want to go from Thane to CSMT, okay, and suppose this is written second class 4 members. So this is the fare of return second class 4 members, 160. That means each got 40 rupees. So don't take it seriously that it's a bit 10 rupees expensive compared to the original ticket which we used to get. So I have calculated the fare by considering 5 stations in front of a station and behind it. So here consider Thane. So the upcoming from Thane to CSMT, I am telling, the upcoming 5 stations will have the same rate, but the next 5 stations the rate will get doubled. That's the equation I have used here. So in that manner we got this amount. So I can't just replicate the original amount, or else it would be very complicated. So I chose to do this kind of equation. So let's proceed. As you can see, it will require our UPI number. So what was our UPI number? I am not remembering. Let me just copy this, paste it on here. As you can see, UPI app interface came. So here I am depicting here I am depicting that as soon as the user enters the mobile number, it will redirect him to the UPI app. So if I proceed, then it will ask me for a UPI pin. As you can see, here we have a UPI pin which has been randomly generated. So we can copy this. Oh no, it has 4 text boxes, so we need to write. So 7 4 3. So you can see it will get proceeded. Yeah, ticket has been booked successfully. This is our digital ticket, or you can say virtual ticket. But we can also check whether the value got deducted. I mean, the amount should get deducted after booking a ticket. So let's check that as well. So this is the registration, so it will not have any effect. As you can see, where was that? Let me just minimize a bit more. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a difference in amount. That means the money has been deducted from his account. No other account is affected, as you can see. This means our execution is perfect, no issues at all. So if I go back, even I can one more thing, even I can watch this. Yeah, as you can see, once I have updated my account details, it given me a notification. I mean, I got a notification after updating my account details, and even after booking a ticket I got a notification. So it means this also is working very nice. And we can also see the OTP as well. Yeah, it got disappeared, or you can say it got deleted after we have used that. This means that it can't be reusable. Here we can see 9818 was there, and after that when we checked, it got deleted. So everything going right, everything going perfect. Even we can see from here we have booked one ticket from Thane to CSMT, and if I click on this, I can view my ticket. Even I can book a few more tickets to show the difference. Let me book a Western line. Yeah, so where should I go? Let's go from Bandra to Churchgate. Yeah, This time I want to have different values, so I will take single first one. Yeah, suppose 2 people. So this is the fare rate. Let's go. So for UPI number, as I don't remember those things, I need to copy paste. So let's proceed. Again, UPI pin, it would be 7439. Yeah, so as you can see, ticket booked successfully. If I go back, I can see it got inserted in descending order, and if I click here, I can view this ticket, and if I click here, I can view this ticket. And even we will check again whether the amount got deducted or not. Registration will be same. Account, as you can see, yeah, 60 rupees has been deducted, as you can see from here. So it's all working very fine. Let's do some more things. We have seen how to book a ticket. Have you seen how to search trains? Oh, as you know, Ambarnath and Adgaon comes in 2 different ways from Kalyan. So there are no trains available to travel to these stations. That's why it's showing a pop-up that no trains are available. That's why I need to take different values. Let me take Kalyan only from Ambarnath. Then I can get the train schedules. So it applies for all lines, but I don't wanna spend more time on this. Let's explore something else. Let's change password, whether it will work. So what was my current password? I guess TrainEase, right? TrainEase @123. Yeah, so as soon as I enter the correct password, it showed me this interface. Here I can see that the password should consist of uppercase, lowercase. Okay, so what should we keep the new password? Interface @77, consider. Okay, again TrainEase @77. Let's move ahead. So TrainEase account has been resetted. Okay, but let's check here from registration. So yeah, as you can see, the password also got updated, and if I log in with the old password, it will not allow me to log in. It should not. Let's see. TrainEase @123. As you can see, it's a wrong password, as we have changed the password. So we have to enter the new one @77. Once again, TrainEase @77. Oh no, what happened? TrainEase @77 only, na? Oh yeah, we also changed the username as well. Oh, my bad. We also changed the username as well. Okay, so TrainEase @77. Yeah, now we logged in. So all going well till now. We have explored all these things. Now let's give feedback to this application. As you can see, my username got fetched over here, and I can give any of this. Let me give it easy. How satisfied are you with the booking process? suppose satisfied, excellent, not excellent, good, okay, overall performance excellent. So this means I have submitted my feedback. So let's check whether there is an entry in the yeah, so let's start from feedbacks. So yeah, we have an entry with our username that this is our feedback. Yes, okay, one more thing is there. Let me show you after being log out. So you might notice there might be something, that's why I have included this drop down list. So there is, we can log in as an admin, not we can, I mean the administrator can log in as an admin and can view what all accounts are being created and what all activity are going on. So suppose, let me log in with my credentials. It was administrator, and yeah, so as you can see, this is the admin interface, and if I go here, here I can see which all active accounts are visible. Visible. Even I can search if the list is too much. Suppose that was Anand, so I can get Anand. If I search Virat, I can get Virat as well. And you might think that what are these things, these icons? This means I can, that if some account is not following my application guidelines, so I can warn him by selecting his profile and giving it a flag, warn sign, warn flag, you can say. So what will happen, the next time when the user will log in into his account, he will get a warning pop-up that he is not, or he or she is not following the guidelines of the application, so he must be careful about it. So should we test it? Okay, we can. As you can see, the username, this has been warned, and even we will apply it to our new account. Let me just warn this as well. And if I go outside, this is my admin information, this is my name. So if I log out from here and log in with, why I'm logging this, I want to check of TrainEase 29, and my TrainEase at 77. Yeah, as you can see, I got a pop-up that dear TrainEase, your account doesn't seem to have worked, so be careful. Yeah, so this will comes only for once. If I log in again, then it will not happen. So nothing. So let's go to admin interface. So administrator. I was in a bit hurry. What happened? I haven't changed this pop-up. Arey yaar. Sorry for that. I have to change this, or else it will consider me as a user. It will not allow me to log in as an admin. So here I can see those active accounts, those deactivated accounts. Once a user deactivate his account, or permanently delete his account, those account history will be visible to me in this list. But till now no one has deleted. We will check that later on. And even I can check from here that which username has booked what kind of tickets. So even I can print from here, but I will not go that far. We can even print from here, and I can even manage who all give me the feedbacks. As you can see, this username has given this feedback. So nothing else remaining. Let's go back and we will do our last one. TrainEase 29. TrainEase at the rate 77. Yeah. So we are in support. Let's go in. So here we will get this icon, and here we have to enter our password, which was TrainEase at the rate 77. So an OTP will be sent to my mobile number. I can check that from here. We just so it's 2833. So as you can see, deleting the account is permanent and there is no way to recover it. So I can mention what all issues I faced, so this led me to delete this account. So I can say I faced some other issues. Okay, and if I delete, then it will be deleted permanently. So to verify that, we can check from here as well. There is no such account existing now. And if I check the feedbacks as well, it got deleted. You can see I gave a feedback, but it got deleted. You can even saw the account. Yeah, here also you can see it got deleted. And even can see one more thing, notification, will it be there? No, there also it got deleted. It got deleted completely. So let's log in as an administrator and check, are we able to view that who all users have deleted their account. So let me just log in. What was the password? Yeah. So as you can see, total accounts are 5, and even the total bookings and feedbacks disappeared. Not disappeared, you can say it got deleted. So here you can see these 5 accounts were there, and in deactivated accounts you can see this username has deleted his account. So I can even clear this list at once if it's too much. Let's clear that as well. Cleared successfully. Yeah, it got cleared. Even I can see nothing like this existing now. Deactivation. Yeah, so it's all set. As we can see, we are all done. Nothing left, I guess. So that's it for this project. I hope you liked it.